Ever wondered how to keep your smile radiant and your breath fresh the natural way? Welcome to the world of oil pulling, a time-honored practice that is as simple as it is beneficial. Our first stop on this journey is the realm of oral health. Oil pulling is a remarkable tool in your dental care arsenal. By swishing oil in your mouth, you can effectively remove harmful bacteria, plaque, and toxins. This not only reduces the risk of cavities and gingivitis, but also combats bad breath, reaching all those nooks and crannies that your toothbrush might miss. But the benefits of oil pulling extend beyond oral hygiene. Fancy a brighter, whiter smile? The natural cleansing properties of oil can gradually lift surface stains from your teeth, giving you a dazzling smile without the need for harsh chemicals. And what about that dreaded morning breath? Oil pulling is here to save the day again. By eliminating bacteria and promoting a healthier oral microbiome, you can wake up to fresher breath and a more balanced mouth environment. Now, if you're thinking this all sounds great, but how does it help the rest of my body? Well, the benefits of oil pulling aren't confined to your mouth. A healthy oral environment can contribute to clearer, healthier skin. So if you're prone to acne or other skin issues, oil pulling might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Ready to give oil pulling a try? All you need is a tablespoon of high-quality oil. Coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil are all great choices. Swish it around your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring that you don't swallow any. After you're done, spit the oil into a trash can, rinse your mouth with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. It's time to embrace this ancient practice for modern wellness. Share your experiences with oil pulling, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Here's to a healthier smile, fresher breath, and radiant well-being. Until next time, take care and happy oil pulling.